Get ready to join me on a fascinating journey as we explore the secrets of the world-renowned Toyota production system. Join me as I take you through an exciting plant tour of Toyota's factory in Japan, where you will learn about the fundamental principles of lean management and how they are implemented in the Toyota production system. By the end of this video, you will have an in-depth understanding on Toyota production system and how it eliminates waste to achieve optimal efficiency. So, fasten your seatbelts and get ready to experience the Toyota production system. Hi everyone. Today, instead of our usual lesson, I'm going to bring you to Japan to visit the world-famous Toyota automobile factory in Nagoya, Japan, and share my learning on Toyota production system, which is the basis of lean. Family holiday in Japan. I have made an arrangement to go to a Toyota plant tour, which is named by CNN as the world coolest factory tour. I set out early in the morning to catch the first train from Nagoya with multiple transits of passing through the beautiful countryside of Aichi Prefecture to the Toyota Shi, which is the campus where the headquarters of Toyota is located. I have included the link on how to get there, which is actually a Toyota KeiKan museum, or a KeiKan means factory, and I would strongly recommend all who are lean practitioners to experience the Toyota factory. This is the KeiKan Museum showroom where they have models of Lexus and Toyota's cars on display, and also some of the chassis, the engines as well. And it is also a waiting place for the tour to begin, where we are supposed to take a bus to a selected Toyota factory around the campus. This is a selfie of myself going to the Toyota plant tour. I'm not very good at taking selfie, right? I should learn more. The plant tour was very well organized, available in both English and Japanese language, showcasing on how Toyota adopt the management philosophy known as Toyota production system to assemble cars. There are two pillars of Toyota production system, which is just in time and Jidoka, and automation with human touch to deliver good products to customers, and that is made smoothly in the operating line with minimal waste. This means that the whole production value stream is lean with very minimal waste of making what is needed, the amount, no inventory waste, and do not create waste and reduce the product delivery time to the customers. Since there are automation, it should be with human touch where the machine can automatically stop and people sustain their work process to help prevent troubleshoot the defects so that the machine does not continue to manufacture defects, which is also a waste. You can refer to my another video on Embrace link, which I have already included in the below link. If you find this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel for more valuable insights and updates in manufacturing, supplier quality hacks to
achieve consistently good quality products by subscribing. You will be the first to know when I post new content.
The plant which I visited was Matomachi plant, which assemble Toyota Crown and some Lexus model. We are not allowed to take any photo, and they will keep your camera at the KeiKan showroom. This is the photo I get from the archive to share with you how the plants looks like. My first impression of the plant was very well organized, 5S in the workplace, where the automobile parts of different size are placed in 5 different tote bins according to the size category. Each tote has one color and all parts are well arranged in the production floor. The production floor is clean until it shines. The 5S, the third S, which is Sari, our tour guide has explained on how Kanban system is used to schedule production to ensure JIT, one of the Toyota production system which I gone through with you just now, in simple color cards to communicate and make the quantity that is needed. Another highlight of TPS is Jidoka, where the system is built to stop machine when there is abnormality and the problem is displayed on the board, which is visual management, to communicate the status of the production and inclusive of the problem happen in which area.
Unlock all of my courses on Udemy for only $12.99. If you are using a mobile device, simply tap on More to review the special rate course link. Click on the link to view over 15 courses in multiple quality areas offered. For desktop user, you can scroll down and click on the link to download the course list. You can then click in the list to get the special offer rate. Explore the ultimate Six Sigma Yellow Belt and Lean Mastery, which unlock manufacturing process efficiency. The transformative online course at Udemy, which equips you with the two most sought-after skills in manufacturing in just 5 hours. Scan the QR code or click the link below to get this course for USD $12.99 using my coupon rate and become the expert in both Six Sigma and Lean.
Toyota is really a very lean company. You can see that he has also changed the former name for Toyota starts with a D here, and it's been changed to Toyota ever since the company adopts the Toyota production system by one of the founders. So these two words, can you spot the waste reduction here? For those who are interested to join the Toyota Kaikan Museum plant tour to experience or to see for yourself how does the Toyota production system work in the real factory, I have included the tips to join the tour. You will need to pre-book the tour at this website here. I didn't know about this website until after the tour. I walked in that day without any booking and was very fortunate that there was a last minute cancellation from someone and the tour leader allowed me to join the tour. You need to start your journey as early as possible if you're staying in Nagoya, as the tour starts at 11 a.m. and only once per day. Information on how to travel to Toyota KeiKan is available at Nagoya's Tourist Information Center, located at the train station. They will give you a very precise printed paper instruction. Lastly, very important, there are strictly no photo, no video are allowed during the tour. You can get a lot of information at the Toyota Kaikan exhibition hall. Those photos that I talk about in the previous slides on Toyota's factories are actually taken from the website. If you want the answer on why Toyota was changed to Toyota name, do leave me a comment below and I shall give you the answer.
I hope you have gained insights in joining a Toyota plant tour in Japan. Don't keep this information to yourself. Share this video with your friends and colleagues. And if you are interested in learning more about practical lean management, be sure to check out my course on Udemy. Packed with useful tips and strategy, it's the perfect way to upskill and advance your career. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video.